If you didn't know, this is what the Farlands look like in Minecraft. It's basically a terrain generation glitch. Yo. I'm at 200. Yo, Farlands. Yo. Coming up, we'll try this in my Minecraft clone, and at the end of the video I'll show you how to get the Farlands in Minecraft. And look at how weird I move. And look at the block hover. What's wrong with the block hover? Yo. I'm barely moving. Yo. I cannot get the item drop. Yo. We can see the caves here. The closer I get, the worse the frame rate gets. Like we're at 1 FPS. Like the game barely handles everything. Yo, we're... Let's try to get inside the Farlands. Now we're inside the Farlands. To get to the Farlands, I had to teleport to the end of the world. So during stream, chat suggested I do the same in my Minecraft clone. Are you going the Farlands? No, I'm not. Well, you're using float and purling. What if you teleport yourself near the float limit like Farlands in Minecraft? Are you saying I should try teleporting? Then Wix, what values should I use for the player position? Here I'm using currently at 8, I can say that 0, 0. Large enough. Let's just focus on the x-axis and let's put like, what's the maximum a float can be? Yeah, this I think. This probably. Float max. Yeah, thanks Wix. Let's do it. But I don't think you want to use that. Yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Yo, I cannot move. I can just move in a straight line. I cannot move. Like I cannot rotate my camera to the left and right. I cannot move to the left and right. Stripe plants. Let's do here plus 37. It's the same. We are looking towards the positive Z. Stripe plants, a bedrock bug. So this is on the X. Let's do it on the Z as well. Because the Z was just 0. What will happen now? It doesn't start. We broke it. Let's do... What number is this? Is it like 38 zeros? No, this multiplied by 10 to the power of 38. Was it like that? 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. F.0F. Is it like that? Do we have the Farlands now? It's still the same. What if we increase it by 1? Will it break? It broke. Okay, let's decrease it. Okay, let's decrease it here. Minus 100. Because we're using too big of a number. Let's remove 1 0 or 2 zeros actually. It's still the same. So there's a limit. How far off is the limit? It's still like that. It is way smaller, half it. Okay, let's have it like before and let's half it like Wix says. No, actually, we were dividing it by... yeah, it's... let's abandon ship. Here is how I got the Farlands. I followed this tutorial, which he used the Minecraft launcher, and I didn't have it. I had the Prism launcher. And so this will be tutorial how to do it with the Prism launcher. And the tutorial and the command we'll use later on will be in this video description. You need to download 2 versions of Minecraft. This version 1.12.2 and this version beta 1.7.3. To add a version, here in this launcher you just hit add instance and here you look for the version itself. Here you just scroll down to 1.12.2 and for the other version you need to uncheck releases, check betas and find the 1.7.3 version. And then you just hit OK and you should have them. Okay, now we are in 1.12.2. You just go in single player and you create a new world, create it in creative mode. Then copy paste this command from the video description into the Minecraft world. So just press T, Ctrl V, and before you press enter, you will need to be ready to hit escape and save the world before everything loads. Just look at me. We hit enter and here we stop the world from loading by hitting escape because the save point is extremely important. We hit save. And now back to the launcher, you need to right click your 1.12.2 instance and you need to go to the folder. And inside of the folder we are looking for the saves. So it should be in Minecraft, saves, and here you need to find your world. And this is the latest one we created, so we need to copy this world. Then we do the same with 1.7.3. You need to go to the folder, so Minecraft, saves, and here you need to paste the world we just copied from the other version. Now we are inside of 1.7.3. Here you go in single player and you open your new world. And congratulations, you should have Farlands. And just so you know, there will be a lot of luck and everything will be very weird.